nervous.
I'm making you nervous.
Making me nervous.
You're also making me nervous.
Oh God, where's this food?
Okay.
You left me.
I did. I left you.
You left me.
I left you.
It's unfair.
It wasn't fair.
It wasn't.
I know. I was chasing my dreams. I mean, fair. It's.
And I was not part of it.
I feel so guilty right now.
Not part of the dream.
I mean, I thought you'd be happy for me.
Yeah, I'm happy.
No, you're
For
not.
you.
Yeah, but you're not happy.
I'm
Yeah,
happy, but no, I'm happy for you. I'm just miserable for myself.
You're miserable for yourself. So, may ina-expect ka sa akin?
Hindi, umasa na.
Umasa ka.
Umasa.
Umasa ka. Alin? Na masasaya mo para sa'yo?
Nasaan naisip mo kahit konti?
I messaged you. I've been focused on myself, yeah?
Doon sa decision making mo when you left, naisip mo pa ako.
Oo, pero mas matimbang kasi yung kailangan kong maging authentic sa sarili ko at i-pursue yung gusto kong i-gain.
It's okay. It's just selfish of me to expect something from you.
You were an anchor.
Oh! Thank you! I was weighing you down.
I'm sorry. And I had to accept it. No, I had to accept it kasi. Kasi pag hindi ko tinanggap yun, hindi ko mapapursue yung dreams mo, hindi kita magiging, hindi ko makakayanan ng iwanan ka.
Ito lang na. Okay, fine. I mean, good to know. Good to know, after 15 years of thinking all of the what ifs and all of the shit in my head, I was just dragging me down.
Di naman sa ganun.
I was the anchor kanina. Now I'm
You
ganun.
think you were dragging me down.
Anchor.
You weren't dragging me down.
How else would I?
You were the one that kept me grounded. Pero hindi ko kayang gumalaw kung palagi ako nasa ground. It wasn't that you were dragging me down. I wasn't sinking. I just needed to venture forward and move on to explore the world. And I thought it
I'm happy, but you don't understand. I'm happy for you. I'm happy that you went out to find your dream.
yeah. And
But of course, I wanted to be part of the dream.
yeah.
I wanted to be there.
And I
Couldn't I have been there? Couldn't you have taken me away to wherever the fuck you went?
that I know. But you're angry at me.
I'm not angry.
Just
No, I'm mad at myself for having to love you all these years.
yeah.
All these years.
As a best friends. I mean,
Yes, please. Thank you for reminding me.
Dinidinay ko lang naman kasi sa sarili ko. Alam ko naman, pipili ko naman yung tension, pero hindi ko ready kasi mag-settle down and commit because I need to, pursue myself muna. Pero ngayon na-realize ko na gusto ko pala mag-settle sa Philippines. So I wanted to reconnect and
What for?
reconnect. Kumustahin ka?
You left me, and my life went to shit, and you're back to reconnect.
Is that selfish?
No, I just don't see the point.
Maybe someone around you now.
Oh,
Maybe I wanted to run you in. Baka nga, pero
I don't think I can. I'm different.
you're different now. I mean, you're different now. What does that mean? You're different now.
Because when you left, shit happened. Now I have a child. I have to feed, which you don't know because when was the last time we talked?
Have a child. Eh, looking sa social media, I was
To bother.